Are you looking for an organic option to control weeds in your driveway, sidewalk, and mulch beds? If so, click on the right video. Coming up, I'm going to share a new organic option that's a great alternative to Roundup for controlling weeds in non-selective areas. It's really easy to use and produces visible results in just 15 to 20 minutes. Let's get started. The product I'm talking about is the new Organic Weed Control Concentrate by Mirimichi Green. Now, given that this is a concentrate, it has several advantages over the already available ready-to-use version. You're able to have more control over how diluted the blend is. So if you're dealing with more mature weeds, some of the grassy weeds that are harder to take care of, you're able to tackle that with this product, whereas this one may have struggled in the past. On the other side of the spectrum, if you're dealing with young weeds, you're able to make a more diluted mixture, which saves you money and makes you get more out of your investment. So there's tons of great advantages of going with the concentrate versus the ready-to-use. In both cases of these products, given that they break down quickly, you don't have to worry about environmental buildup in the soil or them leaching and perhaps moving and damaging plants that we don't want to be targeted by the weed control. Now, an important point to remember about the organic weed control is that this herbicide is non-selective. That means it will damage or kill any plant life that it's sprayed on. This makes it a good choice for controlling weeds in driveways, sidewalks, and mulch beds, but you might think twice about using this to control weeds in your lawn unless you're willing to tolerate a bit of injury. Now, options for applying the weed control concentrate range from a spray bottle like I've got here. You can also apply it using a hose end sprayer, or you can use my method of choice, which is a backpack sprayer. Now today, I'm going to demonstrate using this product to control weeds in two areas. I've got a clump of weeds that are growing through a crack in the street in front of my lawn, and also I've got some spurge that's decided to set up camp in my front mulch bed. Can't have that. Now, Mirimichi provides several dilution rates when it comes to using this product. There's a table here that shows you can use the product at a rate of 8 ounces with 1 gallon of water for younger weeds below 1 inch, all the way up to 19 ounces with 1 gallon of water for more difficult to control weeds. Because I've got a broad range of what I'm dealing with, some spurge, which is small, and some other weeds that are growing through the street that's a bit more mature, I'm going to be mixing this product at 16 ounces with 1 gallon of water. Now, before we get started, it's important to ensure that we're wearing the proper PPE. That means putting on shoes with socks, long pants, a long sleeve shirt, and gloves. Out of an abundance of caution, I also like to wear safety glasses anytime I'm spraying liquids. We'll start by measuring out 16 fluid ounces of the weed control concentrate. Again, 16 fluid ounces with 1 gallon of water is a good catch-all rate for most of the weeds you'll be dealing with. Next, we'll add 1 gallon of water to the spray tank and then follow that up with the organic weed control. There's no need to add surfactant when using this product. For best results, you're going to want to use a spray tip that produces a fine droplet size. This helps the product coat the leaves of the plant being targeted, which is needed for best results. Now, if you don't have one of these, I'll have links in the description to where you can pick one up. All that's left is to give the tank a quick shake, and we're off to knock out some weeds. Now, because this is a contact herbicide, you'll want to fully coat the plant being targeted, but don't soak it to the point of runoff. A single smooth pass is all it takes to do the job. Depending on temperature, this blend should produce visible results within 15 to 20 minutes and becomes rain fast after drying for about 2 hours. Now here you can see the weeds at various stages before, 30 minutes later, and finally 24 hours later. Pretty awesome, right? The Organic Weed Control is in stock and shipping now at the Golf Course Lawn Store. For any of you that are interested, I'll also have a 30-minute video in the description that shows how this product worked against a spurge in real time. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.